Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview SummerWave's Elite 18-foot by 48-inch metal frame pool set and filter pump. Get ready to have the coolest backyard on the block with the SummerWave's Elite 18-foot frame pool. This pool set has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with a filter pump, pool cover, ladder, ground cloth, and deluxe maintenance kit. The swimming pool can set up in as little as 60 minutes, and with its durable steel and PVC design, it handles up to 6,600 gallons of water. Product benefits: durable metal frame stands up to heavy use. Features a classic and stylish mosaic interior print on the liner. Includes with SFX1500 SkimmerPlus filter pump. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.